All right, this is Pathfinder Pest Control back again. Hopefully it's not too echoey. Got a new GoPro, wanting to check it out. So I'm at a vacant property right now where just treating it for roaches. I'm gonna just show y'all a few techniques that I do. I might break it up in different videos. So of course, we use spray, you know, and I'll go into different mixtures and chemicals I use for that. But today, just some of the tools that we use. This is a duster. It's kind of old and broken, but I like it because it has a long, kind of a long hose or thing part out like that to put dust in cracks and crevices. And so I see little areas like this. This is good for if you have roaches, bed bugs, stuff like that. Puff it in here. I have a bag over it. It looks ghetto, and I have a bag over it because dust always seems to get on me when I'm using this specific duster. So I might be trying to find another brand, but different. But getting the dust where it needs to be to kill the roaches is the key. So these little areas like this, those with this wood paneling, those are just notorious for where roaches would be. So this is a good boom. You don't want to use all your might, or just you barely want to tap on because a little bit of dust goes a long way. So I like to put dust in those little crevices like that. Right here, you see some right here. Yeah, let me see where else I can put. I don't see any, see down here. And then I have another duster I use that I could use for this. That's a little finer, that it will kind of get exactly in these little crevices. But yeah, you see these right here, these little crevices like that. That's where they like to hide, in these little areas. Cabinets coming out from the wall, or where the glue is exposed, or the caulking is worn out. That's really good. I don't have my duster with me. It's in my other duster is in my truck, but it usually gets in these little fine areas a little better. But yeah, so I didn't even bring the dust with me, the kind of dust I use. I like Delta dust. It's a good general insecticide for, different kind of pests. So anyway, yep. All right, that's just one technique I use, one product I use. I'll probably put a link in maybe where you can get the dust, or let you know what kind of dust I use for roaches. But thanks, tune in. Got a new camera, so I'm gonna hopefully be filming a lot more. Got a 4K GoPro camera, so really cool. Love playing with it. So hopefully you can hear me well. I didn't get a mic with it, but yeah, until next video.